1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Start across. Hit her with fog again. Let's fog this up. Here we go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do something from the side. Right there. Perfect. Turn to your right just a little more. Right there. I want more butt. Whoops. There we go. Keep going. Turn to your right more. Stop there and look at me. 1, 2, 3.
Let me see some.
I really prefer the fog lower down, so we'll let it die down a minute and then we'll take another crack at it. Kind of like that. I like that. That's not bad.
Oh, that one's gorgeous.
I like that one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, I am.
I like that one.
Wow.
Okay. You want to do some more? You want to do something else? What do you want?
More fog.
More fog?
More fog. I got the video rolling now. We need more fog. Here we go.
Move this way. Right there. Good. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about right there. Beautiful.